Hi developers, today we are going to install the Anaconda setup. Anaconda is a platform with a variety of packages. There is NumPy, Scikit-learn, Pandas and much more. It has a package manager called Conda and we use the command pip to install our packages. So guys, let's start the process of downloading. We will look for the Anaconda Python download and the very first site, that is anaconda.com. We will just open it and click on the option download. Okay guys, I am having the Windows operating system with 64-bit. You can choose your one. I have already downloaded it, so let's begin the process of installation. Here is our setup. Let's click next. Let's click I agree. Okay, next, and let's install it. Our installation will take a few seconds. Okay guys, now we will click for next and then again next, and our installation process has been done. Let's click finish. Okay, now let's open Anaconda Navigator. Okay guys, it will take a bit to open. Okay guys, it's opening. It's loading some applications and it will open in a second. Okay, so here we have few options. We have Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and we have Spider, and there are plenty. We will launch our Jupyter Notebook. We are going to code in this notebook, and let's launch it. We are launching with the help of suppose Chromium. Okay, so it's opening and click here, click. Okay guys, now we will open the desktop folder and let's create a new file here, Python 3. Okay, let's rename this file. Suppose let's name it Asan hai. Okay, and we are going to print Asan hai. This will be our first line that we are coding, and let's run it. Okay guys, we are getting the output, that is Asan hai. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the session.